So hello, today I'm going to show you how to change the page which has origin to the right well, like this one, the sidebar thing on the right, to like a single column page, so there is no right well on the right side, and all the text is just on the 100% of the width of the page, especially because we will change these callouts to be next to each other, so to be four of them, and actually one is here missing, so like four callouts next to each other, instead of under each other, and removing the right well. So let's change, let's remove the right well first. Here on the right hand side, we will use a component called single column container. So far we have we have a component on the page which is called right well and content container, and we will just remove that and just add single column container, and then we will edit that with these properties. Okay, so I will just go to the page, I'll go to presentation details, to the device editor as usual. Okay, maybe I can just rather create a new version if we anyway want to revert changes back with the right well. So but other than that, just going to the final layout, and here under the controls we have all the components on the page, and we have this right well and content container. We can just remove it and then add a new one, or we can just change it, which is faster. We just go to change and find in the container folder a component called single column container. Here we go. And now we change the main content size for 4, and the right well is a blank because there is no right well size. Okay, that's basically it. Now if you just click OK, maybe let's see how the page looks like. Save, yes, sure, and content broken links. Let's save it for now. Let's see how the page looks like, if there is something okay broken or not. So beta preview and just the English. Yes, let's go publish. I will open the page on the beta preview, and this is our page, right, and there's a lot of things missing. Probably that's the reason why we had this exclamation mark and something broken. I forget, since we changed the right well, since we changed the single column container, there are probably some, for sure there are some main container, there are some like these placeholders. With the placeholders I mean we have a right well, oh yeah, right rail, okay, we have the right well, these kind of things which were in the previously in the right well, and then we have this body stuff, and that's actually we don't have anymore the body, so we just change that. We go to just main container and removing the right well. Yeah, okay, so for all of those should be changed. I think, yeah, I didn't put the notes here, but okay, yeah, that should does the job. Actually, sorry, main container / main content is the right placeholder, okay, for all of those. So let's change those. Yeah, we still have to change the size to probably single, not the right well size. That would be too small. And even for this one, there will be a size right well. Yeah, so make it single. 4 of them could work, I guess. That could work. Okay, this is totally blank for now. But the size right well, we'll probably add there some extra the third or something, the webinar, but I have to find it out, the item paths for those. So meanwhile I'll just prepare it, and this multi-column page preview project A to Z. Alright, we will edit make it single, and also main container / main content for all of those. So make it single, and change to main content. The main content backslash body is just used when you have a write val on the page. So it differentiates between the body of the page and the write val of the page. Here it's just one main content. Okay, let's click OK and save it and publish the page. Let's see how it looks like now. Still some broken. Oh, okay. Let's see. Right, okay, so now we have the content there. We are missing these tags, so because there is also some probably wrong placeholders, but we have the callouts, we have them in 3 in one row, we want the 4 in the row. So therefore I would need to change the dimension, the size property. So just put the size property to change for 4 callouts. Currently we have single size, so there's something different. And then okay, body text missing. That's probably this placeholder is a fix. Also the iframe missing. That would be also the fix with the placeholder, right? When I'm thinking about it, it's not the contact us about it. This should be hidden. Yeah, all right. It's not. Nothing's written here. Okay, there's a watch more. Watch. Okay. Then there's a watch more missing. So it's also the placeholder stuff probably. And anything else? Oh yeah, true. We also missing one webinar, which I don't know which one is that. We have utility detection, simple way to uncover utilities, simple way to uncover. The last one should be first. Okay, this one should be first. From A to Z, GPR. Oh, come on. All right. But we have it there, at least A to Z, and we are missing something like a data processing. Where this comes from? A to Z. Data processing. Do we have anything like data processing? Well, I don't know. We can try to search for that maybe in a different window. So opening the content editor, try to search for this one. Doesn't find anything. This comes from all project A to Z. Maybe going to events overview. Maybe they are next to each other. In 14th of May, they could be next to each other. It's loading slowly. Okay, we can close those probably. What is detection? Right. So, right. Okay, this is just loading for the events overview. Let's try to find it. Detection survey project. Detection survey project. It's names. It's hey, A to Z GPR. Doesn't seem so. Data processing. That's the one. Yeah, in June 2020. Right, okay. So that's the one. It's the missing one webinar. All right. Let's go to the page itself, which is yeah, no, I forgot which one is the one. Introduction to detection. Here we go. And let's go to presentation details, to final layout again, controls, and okay, you can just remove them. Okay, these remove, we don't need them. That's I didn't write it here, but never mind. Remove contact us for detection solution. Okay, so I just removed those two callouts because that's were originally in the right well. We don't need them anymore. Okay, so if I save it, publish, then I have just 3 webinars here. Let's add for now the missing one webinar here. Okay, that's the item part of the data processing, right? So we have multi-column page preview for those 3, so we'll add the same component here, multi-column page preview in the callout section. Multi-column page preview using the main container /main content. Size we will get there in a minute. In the data source we'll place the project A to Z. Right, now the size, we notice that there is a 3 in a row. Actually 3 in a row. This is the size single. We need something smaller, so I think so it could be 4 column. Yeah, 4 column, probably 4 column. Anything else? 6? No. Seems 4 column will does the job well. Okay, so let's click OK, and we will change the 4 column for all of them. Okay, so single from to 4 column. Added this one to 4 column. Introduction to DSX 4 column. Right. Now there's some order of that. So A to Z is the last one. That's all right. Introduction to the simple way to uncover it is Leica DSX. This seems to be DSX. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, that's too much. So this is the first one. A to Z seems the second one. GPR third, and yeah, this is fourth. So that's all right. Hopefully I can delete this one so as well. Remove. Now we still have, okay, I see we still have some of the stuff like in the main container /body, and that's what we need to change to main container main content. Okay, so iframe is missing, watch hour is missing. It's probably there in the body content. It's everything like iframe, watch, and body text. So let's change it to main content, and that could be probably it. Yeah, that should be maybe done now. So let's click OK, save it. Yeah, okay, and publish and beta. All right, let's refresh the page, and we have the text. Yeah, maybe there's some blank spaces which could be removed. We have the text, we have the iframe, and we have much more detection webinars. Right, I'm missing a couple of images, but it's the problem sometimes on the beta preview. Once we go live, it's all right. So I will just do the simple trick here with, oh come on, there's a lot of code. BR join, where is that? I don't like this blank space here. There is something nasty in the, it's a date. Maybe the date will be filled, then and there is a place for the date. Right. Okay, so that's it.